Folks, I'm over here at Bales Park, or Bales, crossing Georgia Creek, kind of up in this creek out here. Of course, I got old Possum entered with me. Water's a little stained, a little discolored, but maybe these big blades to make somebody bad enough to buy. Let's see what we can do. Took something right there. Let's hit him right on the back with it. Good carpet, see. Possum here, you let him get away. Don't panic. Look, hanging in that tree of ours. Right straight over ours, old Possum innards, hanging on that limb. About came back, it broke the limb, but it broke the line same time. We try something else on here. Well, I officially retired old Possum innards over on a cedar limb. So he's gone. Bye-bye, Mr. Possum innards. But nothing else exciting happens. Just chasing the carp out of the shallows up in here. Thank y'all for tuning in, though.